Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si-Padre tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa short cover song ni Patrick Quiros. And kinanta niya dito yung The Pool via Stephen Sanchez. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong cover song ni Patrick Quiros. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. So, here we go.
Every night I'm in bed, I fight to keep you from my mind. And almost every day, that's how I spend most of my time. It's true, there is no use, I can't escape the thought of you. So would you trust me to catch you at the bottom of the pool if I told you my whole heart that I loved you then? I loved you then. I loved you.
Grabe yung boses niyan, sarap sa tenga.
But I'm afraid I'm scared of those romantic words you see. Ain't it ironic how those are just the songs I sing about my love? Do you really love me when I hear you whisper under your breath?
Yung grabe naman. Sobrang galing ni Patrick Quiros kumanta, no? Kaya guys, alam niyo ba, lagi kong inaabangan talaga yung mga short cover song na ina-upload ni Patrick Quiros sa kanyang official na Facebook, kanyang Facebook page. Talagang inaabangan ko eh. Worth it kasing pakinggan. Ang ganda ng voice quality niya, yung voice tone. Sarap kumanta, di ba? Ang linis-linis. Tapos pag kumakanta siya is may emotion talaga.